today we are going to show you a normal day in the house, which, you know, newlywed couples like us we're doing. So I'm actually having a coaching lesson with AIM because we were chosen to be one of the coaches for the FBL before, and I'm so excited for that, to meet my coachee and to know more about what they're doing. And so while I'm having a good time of my life, my wife is tada! So I didn't force her to do the laundry today. It's her wish. By the way, and so that's it. Bye! Hi, so as you can see, I'm having a coaching session or training today with AM people. And so I haven't taken my I haven't taken a bath yet, but I think I'm okay. I only have coffee here, thanks to my wife for giving me a very delicious coffee every day, and I have a small fan here just to even up the temperature, because later it will be a little bit of hot na. So that's for now. Bye.
Hi.
Welcome to our house. No. So she's leaving the house, going to grocery, and then I'm still having coaching sessions with the team energy of the agency management. And so while we're doing that, no, we're not doing anything. We're having a 10-minute break.
Yeah, and I'm disturbing his break.
Yes.
Because he likes to be disturbed. That's
Not all the time, though.
Yeah, he like to be disturbed. Like to be lambing.
So that's it. Bye. See you later.
Alligator.
Hi! Oh my god, I'm really doing this. So my husband asked me to take a video or to shoot how I do my groceries. So I'm here right now. I'm doing my groceries here at Garisano Mall, Jansan. And husband is not with me because he's busy with his coaching course. So yeah, at the moment, here are the things that I've already bought. Oh, I can show you. Wait, let me show you. Yeah, so there you go. And later I'll show you how I was able to collect all of these.
So she's back now from the grocery.
Bye.
Yeah. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you what we bought. What she bought from the mall.
Oh, we can show them.
So yeah, we're gonna switch the phone now.
A few moments later.
Finally it arrived, but what I'm waiting for the last time this! Chappy. Yes.
1, 2,
1, 3. Okay. Oh my god, it's here! Guess what? Wait. We're gonna take the change, we're gonna open it in front of you all. Hi! So, this one I actually waited for 10 days already. I think approximately 10 days already. But the shipper told me it will only last for 2 to 3 days. And so with all of my disappointments, it finally arrived. So I'm gonna open it now. Really? Or okay, I'm gonna open it. Here we go. Oh my gosh! Wait lang. So the shipper told me that the reason why it was delayed is because of the pandemic.
So what is that?
Doing the follow-ups. We don't hasten the delivery, but I think it's really out of their control. So I forgive them for that. So this is finally now. It's finally here now. Professional recording microphone. Package. Okay. There's a lot of things going on today, including this one. Woo! Finally, they've given me a headset, free headset, in fairness to them. So microphone, a stand, and a sound box and a stopper. So, with this, you're gonna hear us more from now. With all of this stuff that we bought. Thank you!